Over fire extinguisher safety today. Okay. So today we're gonna be, let's say this. Well, this is a class A, B, and C. Okay. So this covers like paper, wood, like gas, and like I don't know, like electrical stuff. Okay. You can put this on. Okay. So. Any questions for anybody?
What kind of gas?
Huh?
What kind of gas?
Like fuel, like you put in your car.
Okay, so not like my grade school classmate was laid out the gas.
Oh no, you don't stick it up his butt or anything. All right. So, what you want to do though is you want to grab this. This is usually hanging up on a wall. Okay, it's usually next to a door or somewhere in a hallway. You know, mid hallway or something. What you want to do is take, this is called a nozzle, okay, or your
Hose?
yeah, what's this part?
Discharge form, technically.
Yeah, discharge. Okay. What you want to do is pull the pin, aim, squeeze, and sweep, and you want to point at the base of the fire.
Okay?
Okay. Any questions? Is that simple enough for everybody?